My New World by Claudia Tremblay, version 3 special treatment. We start the special treatment with electric diamonds that are sprinkled in the whitest areas in the background. That's right here on the upper left corner, as well as some of the white specks that we see around her hair. So these are the areas right over here, as well as some white areas here and a little bit up here as well. And then for version 2, we add moonlight crystals that we sprinkle on her hair. So simply sprinkle it in areas of her hair that you would like to have a little bit more glisten. You can add a little bit on her hands as well if you'd like, or on her forearms. And then for version 3, we've got morganite that we have placed on the pink flowers. So simply sprinkle it on the pink flowers that you see and have fun. So for version 3 of My New World by Claudia Tremblay, we've got electric diamonds, moonlight crystals, and morganite crystals.